Well, welcome back everybody. It's good to see you all again. It's been a while. We've had a great start to the summer here in Scotland. In fact, since mid-April, and what are we now, coming up for the end of May, we've had pretty much every day sunshine, no rain either. So with that, I've got the Triumph Stag out of hibernation and been doing some open top motoring around the Pentland areas of and surrounding areas of Edinburgh. Top down, Archie sitting in the back and the wife, and going out and enjoying the sunshine. So with that, some work in the garden, getting that looking nice, and also we've had a few bee swarms entering our garden, so I've been busy picking those up and putting them into empty hives. So it's been busy, but now it's the weather's about to change. In fact, as of tonight, we're expecting some rain, and according to the BBC weather forecast, it's going to be that way for the next week or so. So much needed rain for the gardens and everything, but means I can get back in the garage now and start working on some clocks again. So what have I got? Well, the first thing I noticed when I got into the garage was this clock here. Lovely clock made in Edinburgh. Fell off the wall, and I'll show you what happened. Well, this lovely fusee Scottish clock here used to sit up on the wall of the garage here, and by itself it decided to fall off. You can see the screw that was holding it there, it's bent down a bit, so that was enough for it to fall down. It dropped down onto my workbench, broke this cutting disc here on the way through, and went down and onto the floor. And the damage that happened to it was there was bits of the casing that came off here. The glass broke into 1,000 pieces. The pendulum was lying on the floor. The pendulum was in there. And the casing at the bottom here, it split the wood in a few places. But very luckily, there's no damage to the face itself or the front dial, so lucky boy. So we've got some woodwork repairs to do here, and I'm hoping that the pendulum just came off, but the movement itself is okay. So that's the next job I've got to do to put that right. I found a glass company that makes clock dials faces. It's just over 9.5 inches diameter, and this one was stuck in with, I don't know if it's putty or what, but it's rock solid. But I'll clean all that out and find a suitable replacement putty to fit the new dial when it arrives. So what I'm going to do is sweep this up, and I'll show you what else I've got ready to work on. Right, the next clock I've got to look at is this one here. Very nice French clock made in France. You can see the movement in the back there. The problem with this one, we take the glass back off. We have a key here. There's the mainspring here. You see it's just turning, it's not winding. So is that a broken mainspring? Don't know, got to take it apart, but that's the problem. There is no movement from the platform escapement, it doesn't tick. So maybe that's because the spring is broken, there's no power getting to it. So that's a project to do. Let's put this over here for now. And the third clock that I've got, this is another first for me. Excuse me. A cuckoo clock. Given to me to have a look at. Don't know what's wrong with it, but never worked on one of these before, so it should be fun. I know there are a lot of YouTube videos on cuckoo clock repair, so I'll certainly be watching a few of those first to see how it's done, or to give me some ideas. There's a bag full of the weights as well that go on the end of these change, but I've got that to do as well. So be interested in your views on which one I should tackle first. I'm going to get the wall mounted fusee clock repaired, and hopefully that will be back up on the wall. That's just hopefully just a simple repair to the casing with some wood glue. But let me know in the comments, would you rather see me tackle the French clock repair with the broken mainspring, or would you like me to have a go at tackling this one next? Be keen to hear your views, and thanks very much for watching this video, which has taken a long time to get out, but thanks again. And also thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm actually over 750 subscribers now, so that's great, and hopefully we'll continue to have that rise. And so thanks for watching, and I should be back with another video very shortly. Bye for now.